The projected Salwa Canal is going to be a historic change in geography of Arab region. It is Saudi Arabia's proposal to transform Qatari Peninsula into an island by isolating it from its mainland area lying along the border of Qatar and Saudi Arabia. This mega project reserved a huge budget of 12.8 billion Saudi riyals or about $750 million. This canal will be about 70 km in length along with Qatar-Saudi Arabia border. It will be 200 meters wide and its depth will vary from 12 to 20 meters. Ships up to 33 meters wide and 295 meters long will be allowed to travel through this canal. Saudi Arabia have also reserved some land area about 1 kilometer wide between the Salwa Canal and Qatar-Saudi Arabia border that will be mainly used for nuclear waste and military services, but it may also be used for shipping and tourism efficiency. This bold decision of Saudi Arabia is looking as a frictious move on its ill relations with Qatar. But why Saudi Arabia wants to remove Qatar from its mainland? What may be the reason behind this? See the entire story behind it. The conflict between Qatar and Saudi Arabia is not new. We have seen the rising tensions between the Gulf countries since Arab Spring of 2010. Saudi Arabia, backed by other Gulf Cooperation Council countries like Egypt, UAE, Bahrain, Kuwait, accusing Qatar of aiding the terrorism and supporting its mortal enemy Iran. They also accused Qatar-based Arab's biggest news network Al Jazeera of favoring Muslim Brotherhood. In June 2017, Saudi Arabia and 3 other Gulf countries cut their diplomatic relations with Qatar and imposed sea, air and land blockade on Qatar. Later in GCC meeting, these countries issued a list of 13 demands to Qatar, including to shut down Al Jazeera news network, and asked it to comply with them in order to restore the ties. But Qatar denied that demand list and said there was no legitimate justification for the actions taken by the 4 countries. The decision was a violation of its sovereignty. So, later, Saudi Arabia closed its land border with Qatar that was the main source of importing foods and other goods to Qatar. And now, this confirmation of proposed Salwa Canal ends its relations with Qatar completely. This project is scheduled to start in September-October 2020 and can be finished within 1 year. Saudi Arabia had already offered some Egyptian companies having experience of digging canals like Suez Canal to enter in bid contest, and the winner will be selected to do this job. Now, we hope you knew well about this crucial topic of Qatar and Saudi Arabia conflict. Help us to do our job better by submitting your valuable feedback. We are expecting from you to like this video and subscribe our channel Cosmophile. Have a nice day ahead. Thanks for watching.